More the holes.
Oh, shit, Simon. What did you do?
Oh, it collapsed.
Did you hurt? You did. Oh, God.
Shit, big piece.
Huh?
A big piece. Well, we've motored down the coast. No, we didn't. We sailed most of it.
Yeah.
Down the coast for a couple of hours, and we've just found this little place with a small harbour over there, a few boats, and little bars and restaurants. I wouldn't say it's a beautiful sandy beach. And we're going to stay here the night.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's a bit wild.
Yeah. Beautiful clear water. No plastic.
This is the water is...
Yeah. Different.
It's too cold, yeah?
It's still too cold.
It's not freezing.
It's always too cold. I don't like water because it's wet.
It's wet.
So I don't like it. So we're going to stay here tonight. We're going to have a beer, go back, cook a meal, get another early night in because we're still tired from that.
Fine.
Okay.
This one didn't have a happy end?
No. I assume it's a sailing boat. I can't see. Oh yeah, there's a mast. Yeah. No, there's a few fittings left that haven't been robbed.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful. I love the breeze block.
The what?
Breeze blocks. Sort of brick things.
Why are the crosses?
Religious symbol.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's nice to have a picnic here.
Yeah. Very nice. So, it goes like this.
We had a thing.
We've had a thing. We found this lovely little bay off this island. We know the name of the island, do we? No.
No.
And we're going to stay here tonight. And just around the corner there, there's a deserted village, which got deserted in 1953, which we're going to try and go and look at tomorrow. And there's a little quay, and we were going to drop the anchor and tie off on the quay. But when we got here, somebody else was there, so we couldn't do that. So we thought about going next door to them, but the wind wasn't really right and stuff. So we came into the next little bay. It's only 100 metres away, and decided to do the trick and put ashore a line. A line ashore. So we decided we would come into the next bay and put a line ashore. I'll do it again, okay. So we decided we'd come into the next bay, and it's only 100 metres away, and put a line ashore. So we dropped the anchor, and we had the boat just tickling along, going backwards, pulling the anchor chain. And I got in a dinghy, and
I put the whole rope
in
the dinghy, and he didn't know that.
I didn't realise that, and so I turned round, started going, and then the rope got wrapped around the port side prop,
And I start shouting.
and I started shouting because you do these situations. Anyway,
Then I turned both engines
off, which I didn't want Carla to do because I knew it was a left-hand engine, and I wanted to get
I
the
could
right
see it was the left one too, but I just wanted to turn everything off.
So I wanted the right-hand engine to just keep us going. So that was a disaster all happening in front of our eyes. And so it was put the wetsuit on and get in the water. And it's the first dip of the season. I've been in before you.
You have.
But we managed to actually get the rope untangled as opposed to having to cut it and chop it all off. So that was okay. And now we have got a line ashore. But one thing we've learned is we didn't communicate properly about what we were going to do. Secondly, we need to get a proper line to go ashore, because we've got 3 lines tied together. We haven't got one this line, so we need to go. No harm's been done to boat or people.
No.
But
You got a bit wet.
I got very wet, and I don't do getting wet. And the whole procedure's taken over an hour.
What time is it?
It's 7
7
o'clock.
o'clock. Jeez, hour and a half.
Hour and a half it's taken. So there we are. But we're here and we're safe. It was stressful, wasn't it?
And tired. Just want me to put my feet in the water. Not extremely cold.
Yeah, okay, you go in.
Just cold, not extremely cold.
No,
That's
you-
what I said. We are in Trivia.
Which is a small island halfway along the Corinth inland waterway. I guess that's the best way to describe it. It's like a huge lake. It's like a bit like a fjord, and it's absolutely beautiful.
It's beautiful. We are on the way to the Great Canal.
Yeah. And we've dropped the anchor on the other side of the island. There's a sort of a little harbour there, and we've dropped it outside the harbour in 8 foot of water, not very much. And the boat's quite happy there. We've come in, and we've got the most beautiful little harbour on this side of the island. The island's that small. To have our dinner. Rather nice.
It's our treat of the week.
Our treat of the week, this is, yeah, this is it. And we've got a beautiful, beautiful bottle of red wine.
With beautiful glasses.
With beautiful glasses. Very Greek. Very Greek. We're still heading towards Mykonos for the 8th of May. 7th of May. And we were going to go to Athens, we're not going to go to Athens now. We're going to just plod on flop. Boom, boom, boom. We had a lovely 25 knots of wind today, and a beautiful calm sea, and it was in completely the wrong direction. But hey ho,
The motor is working fine.
the Yanmars were very, very well in training today.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah.
We're the only people here, and there's 4 restaurants.
They're all outside waiting for someone to come, but there's no one to come.
No one here. We are the only guests at 4 restaurants. I just spotted this mask sticking out of the water. That's the wrong angle.
Oh my god.
Take a wander around it. Just to clarify, we're travelling along the Gulf of Corinth, and it's a huge inland area of water, heading down towards, in the eastern corner, the Corinth Canal. And there was 2 really great stops or great places that we saw on that little journey.
Yeah, it was Miscellanea, which was a canal with all the little houses built on stilts. It was very nice to see.
It was beautiful. All the fishermen had built them
Yes,
Yeah.
it was very nice.
all the way along this canal, and the canal was dug out of the salt marshes. And the other one was, and I've completely forgotten the name of it, the bridge, the suspension bridge, the Ariana,
Something like
Something
that.
like
It
that.
was really, really hard to pronounce.
which we had to go underneath, and that was the largest suspension bridge at in the world at the time when it was built in 2004. So that was pretty spectacular, actually. I really quite enjoyed that. And I was fascinated by the fact that the ferries still went across from side to side, even though the bridge was over the top, and they've kept that going.
It's always
since
a bit
2000.
stressful when we go on the bridge. Isn't
I know.
it?
I don't like looking up.
Yeah.
I don't like looking down. I don't
Because you
like
can't
looking up
really see the.
No, you know you're going to clear, but
Yeah,
you know it's a weird thing. That is. So we are going to carry on down the Gulf of the Corinth, and we're heading to go through the Corinth Canal, which we are going to bring you in the next program. And from there we're still battling our way southeast to Mykonos,
Yes.
and we have to be there on the 7th of June,
7th of
so
June.
you can see your little girl.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Thank you for following us.
Thank you for. I forgot. I always forget. I forget. Okay. Thank you for following us.